We're on the way this morning to hang out with Louisville Metro. They buy bulk from our asphalt plant, and they're actually one of our biggest customers, so we're gonna go hang out with them for a little bit and watch them apply some Easy Street. There's actually an app out there that you can report potholes to, and once you report a pothole to Louisville Metro, they have to address the issue within 72 hours. Of course, they're gonna use our Easy Street product, so it's a great thing for Louisville Metro, Louisville residents, and Flynn Brothers and Easy Street. This is my Metro crew right here.
Easy Street keeps us working.
Easy Street Asphalt, showing potholes who's boss.